Your thumbnail gets 0.2 seconds to grab attention. These thumbnails stopped the scroll. The secret? It's not Photoshop skills or expensive designers. Every thumbnail you see on our channels, CharmIQ and Authentic AI Insights, we create using our own platform. No freelancers, no design subscriptions, just AI collaboration that saves us hundreds. I'm going to walk you through our actual process for creating thumbnails for every video we publish and how small YouTubers can compete with bigger channels without breaking the bank. Today's challenge: our podcast episode, Stop Automating Tasks, needs a thumbnail that'll make audience pause their scroll. First, I set up the context. Podcast details, episode title, thumbnail text. I also add the podcast transcript to the reference material so the AI understands exactly what my video covers. Now, instead of wrestling with generic AI prompts, I call our artistic beauty and photography analyst, an AI agent we built specifically for visual design work. To create this AI agent yourself, just follow our tutorial. It takes 3 clicks. When I ask for thumbnail concepts, she gives me 4 strategic options based on the podcast content: bear trap, spiderweb, quicksand, golden cage. I'm drawn to the quicksand concept, so I ask her for a detailed prompt, adding that I want text overlay to be prominent. Also, note here that I add our thumbnail best practices file to the reference material. This helped train my artistic AI agent on how to craft the optimal prompt. In split second, I got my prompt. All I have to do now is to select it and click the image icon. Then select the latest Google image model, the Ultra Preview 6, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube, and generate. How about this? Not bad, right? The text could use some work though. I ask her to add drop shadows and refine the prompt. This time I'll test GPT Image model with the refined prompt. Different AI engine, different interpretation of the same concept. Wow, the text rendering looks impressive. I like it. Let's push the envelope a little bit further. Let's switch models on the fly. Same image. I click and change from GPT Image to Google Imagen. Gives me a third variation without any extra work. Love it. This is why having multiple AI models in one workspace changes everything.
Let me try the golden cage concept now. Here's something powerful about CharmIQ. I can go back to any point in our conversation and branch off in a new direction. I'll jump back to right after we discussed the 4 ideas, before we dove into the quicksand prompts, and ask for idea 4 instead. This way the agent gives me a fresh prompt for the golden cage concept without being influenced by all the quicksand refinements we just did. This generates several more thumbnail options with the luxury cage theme. Now I have multiple options across different concepts and models. I love it. Finally, when you want to compare all your thumbnail variations, simply go to Outline and select Images. Every thumbnail I've created appears in one clean view. I can instantly compare different concepts, evaluate what resonates, and make strategic decisions about which direction serves my content best. So, this is how we've created thumbnails for all videos across our channels. We're not design experts, we just have AI partners that understand visual communication and can iterate quickly. When your thumbnail has 0.2 seconds to convert a browser into a viewer, you need this level of creative collaboration. Try CharmIQ for your content creation. Use code to save 30% or go annual for 50% off. Because the best content deserves thumbnails that actually work. And if you clicked on this video, well, our thumbnail worked on you too. We created it using the exact same process I just showed you. Meta, right?